Boobity-doo-doo-doo. Daily Drivers number episode 6, I think. Let's go. You will get to see, finally, Mitch Bolte properly driving. We go on a little trip up the big roads, up to Crawley, to go and fetch a nice little surprise. Keep on watching to find out what it is. There's a box. What's in the box? Where's it from? Just
down the
Campers.
Thank you, JK.
Thank you,
Much
Just
appreciated.
Campers. Nice one. Let's have a look. Oh, I can't wait. Let's go put these in.
No, I think we should have a break.
What are we breaking for? Ah! You got me there. We're back in the game. Let's waste no time and jump right into it. Yes. Yes. God, this is dirty in here. Blimey. What? Man, there was a bolt missing. We're just rolling around in there. Is that thing connected? Yeah, further. Oh, my heads, mate. Oh, savage. Right.
We're supposed to be bleeding brakes, man.
Yeah, should we bleed the brakes?
Yeah.
All right, you're going to be cab man. You're going to be dude in cab and I'll be at back.
Boom, boom. Is it actually moving?
I mean, maybe just because of gravity. Yeah, no, it just seems to be draining out. Nothing seems to be pumping through. Nothing's happening down here.
Yeah, well, it'll take a while, won't it?
I'm not seeing anything happen. Are you pressing the right pedal?
Do you know what I was doing?
No, stop. Stop it. Stop it. You've been pressing the clutch this whole time.
No, throttle.
Get out!
Look. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Obviously, there's a block arch.
Brakes. Oh. Yeah. We going for a drive?
Yeah. You're taking it home. This is on the presumption that the actual van starts as well, right?
We'll be alright. Let's do it. Shoo!
What's that? Is a roll.
The clutch on this thing, man.
The clutch is quite high, Adam.
Mitch Bolte, Adam's first attempt. I've already stalled it 3 times. It literally about.
Drive the van.
And
Don't drive the van. Jeez.
oh, it doesn't mess around. Mitch Bolte does not mess around. Right, well,
We better go and have an adjusty up.
we better. Blimey! Brakes. Good Merlin's beard. They worked. Brakes work. And Mitch is back on the road. I reckon we're taking a ride. This is the new Daily Driver. on the way to
Crawley. And we are buying some tools.
Some tools. We already got a couple of those.
We have got a couple of tools. We are out in Mitch Bolty.
Mitch Bolty is back on the road.
We have brakes. We have gears.
We got our trusty fire extinguisher. Very important.
And can of fuel.
A can of fuel. Just there.
Both at Adam's feet.
And a Guinness. God, it's hot in here, isn't it?
It ain't half hot, man. Oh,
where's the aircon?
Oh, we'll open the vent.
There we go.
Vent
there
open.
We go.
It's quite difficult to use this one. Look,
God,
I don't know how to close it. Oh, it's closed.
God, that was an event, wasn't it?
Now, this is going to be a little bit of a testament because we are driving for about 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40
in
minutes.
one go. See how it goes. We have got a speedo. Whoa, 40.
You.
Oh, 50.
Woo.
55. It's a bit rattly, eh?
What?
It's a bit rattly.
55 up the hill. Yes.
This is more our kind of speed, guys.
Yeah, this is it.
We're going to send it. We're going.
Ready for the overtake.
Here we go.
Activate thrusters.
Yeah.
Hello, Crawley.
We arrived. You excited?
Let's do it.
This is Adam's first toolbox.
Oh, snap on, baby.
So whose was the kit then?
Husband's, when he worked as a mechanic at Crawley Down Services.
This was his kit.
Yep, so it sat around for 5 years because we didn't know if our son would need it. But he's now working as a mechanic at Mercedes.
So he's got his own kit. And these guys have been really kind enough to do us at a really good price. And this is some good gear, it's going to get loads of use.
Get rid of it, get it out of the way.
Will you tell him a big thank you to us?
I will do.
Yeah.
We'll send you a sticker.
Nice work, man. Snap on in hand. Snap on in truck, I should say.
Snap off. We have just refueled at
The plough.
we are gonna go and go. We're gonna go and go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Dun 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 dun. Ba-dum, ba-dum.
Right in the eye.
How slick am I, Mr. Slick? This van came in from Michigan. I've already said all this actually in the last bit. Yeah, it came in from Michigan 2 years ago, been with the DVLA, I think I said all that. Now it's driving, it had no brakes. Adam fixed the brakes.
Adam did fix the brakes.
And now it's great. We love it. We've just been out
We
on
love it. So this used to be sort of a daily driver
I think
for
so.
the previous owner.
Yeah. We, as far as I'm aware, this transfer station permit here, in British money, is, what do you call it? The tip, the recycling centre.
Oh, the transfer
the waste
station.
centre, whatever.
Sure.
So you think he used to use it, pile all his rubbish in the back, and go down the tip with it. I think they had it for quite a few years, from what I remember. But yeah, that's what it was. His daily drive, and you can tell, I think, because we haven't done much to it other than sort the brakes out and a few other bits. And she just drives beautifully.
Really does.
I think I've said this about other stuff, but this one really does. And I think for the fact that it's 1958, something like that, it's incredible. It's, again, steering box, bit scary. Oh, I go left, carry on going left. Oh, I go right. Bit of correction going on.
15 degrees worth of nothing.
So you tack down the motorway.
Yeah, that's
like
it. You got to go with the wind.
Like a sailing boat.
Yeah.
And the gears are a little bit sloppy Joe. What have we got? All the stuff, actually. Check out the...
That's great vibes. I love that.
Yeah. Whoa, disco. That's like some chronic night vision. This one, not so.
That's so, yeah.
Original cardboard type thing. Couldn't find the vents. I don't know if they're supposed to be like...
They do live here.
Especially,
This looks like it's been covered over.
Oh, bolted.
You see that? Yeah,
Bolty,
bolty.
bolty. Oh,
so this is
yeah.
probably something that should be mentioned. In the name, Mitch Bolty, that refers to the boltiness of the entire vehicle.
Everywhere.
Literally everywhere. Bolt, 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 bolt. Bolt, 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 bolt. I'm going to show you outside the cab. Bolt, 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 bolt. Bolt, 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 bolt. Bolted, 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 bolty, 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 bolty. Look at this, look at this. Bolty, bolty. It really is quite weird that someone would pick this up and go, actually, I can't weld. Do you know what I'm going to do?
Maybe we just
Do you know what I'm
forgot.
going to do? I'm just going to bolt the whole thing together.
Maybe he had loads of spare bolts
I
and no welder.
need
It's
a use for this.
I haven't got any welders, but I've got a load of bolts.
No, you got the job done.
Have you counted them?
Oh, you can start.
1, 2, 3, 4.
53, 54, 59. That's a lot of work. Do you think that's more work than just welding it?
Yeah. So, yes. The indicators are good and bright. We stopped in the tunnel earlier to show you. Well, we call them indicators, don't we? In the US, they call them something else. So we call them indicators because they indicate whether you're going left or right. In the US, they call them blinkers because they go blinkety blink.
Blinkers.
There you go. Just about says it all, really, doesn't it? Love you, USA. No, we do. We truly do. Especially as 3 of our 5 subscribers are from there. We have got some stuff inside. You've seen the bits on the dashboard.
Oh, nice bench seat.
Check out this for a fairly shonky seatbelt setup.
Oh, that's pretty shonky.
And they don't even match the shonkiness. That one just,
That one slides in and grips.
you know, like they do on the EasyJet
Oh yeah, but
Yeah.
over here this is more BA.
BA.
British Airways.
I thought you meant like 18.
Baracas. I ain't going on no plane. Don't forget, this is an old van. Look at it. We can throw whatever we like in the back, and it doesn't matter if it gets a bit dented.
True.
We wouldn't be doing that with Italy.
Italy
that's for
or
sure.
Swedish.
No.
Swedish blue. This is true.
No,
This is
no,
true.
no.
And that's why we like old vans.
We love these old vans.
Are these vans worth money? I guess. Sometimes.
Depends if they come with a whole toolkit in the back.
They do. Oh, snap on talking. I don't know. We've got them insured, of course. But it's all relative, really, isn't it? If you like it, you'll pay for it. If you don't like it, you won't pay for it. God, this is a good review, isn't it? This one drinks quite a lot of fuel. Twin carb, dual port. Equally, no fuel gauge. Which is a right royal pain in the Darcy.
In the Darcy.
Because you never know. I don't know if I put it in yesterday, day before. I don't know how far I've been. I don't know how far I've gone. So you just don't know. Driving along, can of petrol between your legs.
Yeah, but at least the explosive bit isn't in the cab, it's at the back.
Well, it is if you hit something from the front.
Yeah, but this isn't the movies.
You know-
This isn't Hollywood, Ben. Things just don't
Hey,
explode
this could
for
be
no
Hollywood.
reason
This
at
could
all.
be Hollywood. Why are we carrying it in the cab? We've got a locker. Look,
The other side.
we've got a locker.
Oh.
Look at it.
What is this? Eh?
This is the canapé for the back.
The canapé. Can we eat it?
All right, check that out, right? Boys and girls, as soon as the tools are out of the van,
I can go over the. Oh yeah, nice.
out. That is a little treasure. Hey! I'm serious, I won't do it again. Oh. We just had a little moment whilst doing the filming in the fact that the director didn't advise me the fact that there was a car right up my arse.
Hey, I did
And
my
I did
shouting.
an ever so slight little bit of reverse with a car right up my backside.
Bit of a disaster.
We've just been filming, looking to pick Adam up because he doesn't run very well nowadays.
Right.
And just reversed into Kiana, into D. Her car's fine, right? Just goes to show.
We got a bit of a
She got a
dentage.
Ford going on,
Look at
right?
that.
And all that happened on her number plate was her number plate had a number plate split.
Yeah.
We get her a new number plate. Check out what's happened to
Full on
us.
dentage. What's going on over here? That's sheeting off.
I mean, we're driving an old van, so the tears are not really anything too much.
We're
to worry
not
about.
just like we were saying about throwing the tools in the back.
Yeah. Maybe we've got a few tools. We can do a bit of mending while we're here, right?
There we go. That'll do.
Crowbar.
Realignment tool.
Bit of a realignment and sorry D. Everyone who knows me will think I'm apologising to my wife. You know that never happens. I'm always right. No, actually, that's not good.
That's going in, mate. So this is what we were saying about driving old vans. You can kind of just do this and stick it back together.
To be fair, Ben does this all the time. All the time. That's why he doesn't like nice vans. Yeah.
So that was D. Sorry D. That was a bit of a momentary lapse of judgment on my part. Also goes to show reversing lights probably been quite helpful in this situation. That was the week or two that was Mitch Bolte. Mitch Bolte was driving and doing us well as a daily driver. Ended this week slightly not how I had intended. Sorry D. Anyway, let's see what the next daily drivers bring. Stay tuned guys, see you next time. We forgot to talk about the engine.
Oh, yeah, we did. Should we do it now?
Jazzy, Jono.
We're doing all right. So far, bear in mind that this came in from the States.
Yeah.
So it was all modded from the bloke in Texas where we got it.
Michigan.
Michigan. Yeah. So it's definitely a 2 litre. It's
Clearly.
definitely got
Some guts.
dual choke. Twin Webers. It's got an external oil cooler. It's got electronic ignition, electronic fuel pump. It goes like a stink.
It's a proper little sleeper.
But it's got some sort of super duper oil cooler-y bolt-on bit, which I've absolutely no idea who makes it, where
interesting.
it's come from. We're just having a little look in the book to see if we can match it up. We're looking at all of this fan housing, the oil cooler addition at the top,
Oh, just there.
which comes down and bolts them.
Sends it.
Because we're pretty old-fashioned, really, aren't we, when
Yeah.
we're doing these? And these guys obviously have.
This is Boy Racer style. This is why
yeah,
it's so
right
fast.
up your street.
That's it. It's you, to a T. Imagine if we did a what's his name?
Red 9. So lose the reduction boxes and independent suspension.
Nice. I don't know about this. This is not, if someone knows, I'll be glad to know.
Let us know in the comments what's going on in the back of Mitch Bolte. We would like to know.
Got like extra tubes coming off all up here. Look, where do these go? I think we need to take the engine out and we can have a proper
Oh,
look.
shut up.
No. Until you take the engine out, it's put the red 9 kit in.
Well, we
The only
do
reason we
that.
take the engine out is because Adam will break it.
Tim's got a Boy Racer exhaust.
I have done that
As soon as Adam breaks
with
it,
two
Which will
engines.
probably be
we
like
take the engine out,
this
which will be about
weekend.
like, next week or something. Yeah. Wednesday today.
Wednesday today, so we'll see this in the workshop probably on Saturday by the time he's blown it up.
yeah, probably about right.
Anyway,
So, if you know a little bit more about this than us, because that won't take much, let us know what's in there. 2 litre and what?
we know it's the American viewers. What car were those rear lights off of then?
Oh yeah.
For these beauties.
So you've got to be looking at what, 50s, 60s Yanks?
Yeah. Yankee Doodle.
Let us know.
So it looks like we've just tried to do a review on something we don't know much about. So if you know, maybe you can do the review for us.
Yeah, you can do our job for us.
Yeah,
comes
because
down.
we don't do a very good. We kind of.
Right.
Should we go?
Yeah.